Hello guys, Привет, друзья! Welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. I'm Lydia, your Russian language teacher. Let's learn today how to ask and answer the question how are you in Russian. Как дела? How are you? Как дела? Literally, this phrase means how's business. Дела means business. Дела, it's a plural form. We also can say как ваши дела. It will be the formal way to say how are you. Как ваши дела. And also we can say как твои дела. It will be informal way to say how are you. Как твои дела. And now let's learn some answers. Отлично. Отлично. Отлично means perfect, wonderful. Отлично. Хорошо. Good, fine. Хорошо. Хорошо. Неплохо. Неплохо. Not bad. Неплохо. Так себе. Так себе. So-so. Так себе. Плохо. Плохо. Bad. Плохо. Очень плохо. Очень плохо. Very bad. Очень плохо. Как ваши дела? Как твои дела? Напишите в комментариях. Write in the comments how are you today in Russian, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon at our next Russian lesson.